In today's world, where cleanliness and maintenance are paramount, having the right tools for the job can make all the difference. Pressure washers offer a powerful solution for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from washing cars to rejuvenating patios. Let's explore some of the top-rated pressure washers available on the market. First up, we have the Joe SPX3000. With its 14.5-amp motor generating 20-30 psi, this electric pressure washer is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Its 20-foot hose and 1.76 GPM flow rate make quick work of dirt and grime on cars, fences, patios, and more. Plus, with its total stop system, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging pump life. Next, we have the Westinghouse WPX3200 gas pressure washer. Boasting an impressive 3,200 psi and 2.5 GPM, this powerhouse can tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. With its onboard soap tank and 25-foot hose, it's perfect for decks, sidewalks, siding, and more. And thanks to its heavy-duty construction and 12-inch high-profile wheels, it's easy to transport and maneuver. Moving on, we have the Joe SPX3001. Similar to its predecessor, this electric pressure washer offers 20-30 psi and 1.76 GPM, along with some additional features. Its onboard reel keeps the 20-foot hose organized for quick cleanup and storage, while the extra-large detergent tank allows for extended cleaning sessions without refilling. And of course, it also features the total stop system for energy efficiency. Now, let's take a look at the HOLSUN 3500 psi electric pressure washer. With its robust 3500 psi and 2.65 GPM, this machine delivers effortless cleaning power. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, it offers versatile performance for various cleaning tasks. Plus, its total stop system ensures pump longevity, while the included GFC protects against electric shock. Moving on to the Karcher K1700 Max electric pressure washer. Operating at 2,125 psi, this machine provides powerful cleaning performance for a wide range of surfaces. With its quick connect steel wand and 3 spray nozzles, it's versatile enough for cleaning cars, siding, driveways, fencing, and more. And with features like the onboard detergent tank and on/off foot switch, it's designed for convenience. Now, let's explore the RBLUE Clean BC111HS electric pressure washer. With its 1600 psi and 1.7 GPM, this portable powerhouse is perfect for outdoor cleaning tasks. Featuring a range of accessories and a compact design, it's easy to maneuver and store. Plus, with its total stop system, it ensures efficient operation and extends the life of the pressure washer. Next, we have the Rocker powerful electric pressure washer. With its maximum pressure of 2,150 psi and 2.6 GPM, it delivers impressive cleaning power. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a 16.9-ounce foam tank, it's perfect for tackling tough dirt and grime. And with features like the total stop system and built-in hose reel, it offers both safety and convenience. Finally, we have the Westinghouse WPX3500 electric pressure washer. With its 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM, this compact yet powerful machine is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Featuring an onboard soap tank and quick lock wheels, it's designed for convenience and ease of use. Plus, with its anti-tipping technology and automatic pump shut-off, it offers both safety and efficiency. Whether you're cleaning cars, fences, driveways, or patios, there's a pressure washer out there to suit your needs. From electric to gas-powered, these top-rated models offer power, performance, and convenience. Choose the one that's right for you and make cleaning a breeze. Happy cleaning!